guys, it's Mrs. Fox and welcome back to my channel. And I don't know why I'm talking like this because I don't have that big fancy kitchen with the island voice. Okay. So anyway guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey, if you're new and you watched it to this far, even though we're less than a minute in, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And hey to my OGs, you know me, we played on the playground like Genobi. Okay, so anywho, now I can't tell you how afraid I am of touching this box. It came from New York City. That is very statist. So we're wondering what's in this box. Fox, what you got in the box? Fox, what you got in the box? There might be a fox up in here. Who knows? All right, all jokes aside. If you don't like a goofy person, click off this video. This video is not for you because I play too much. All right. So in this box, I have a few vegan items from Lily's Vegan Pantry. Lily's Vegan Pantry is in New York City. I believe it's in Chinatown. It would have to be in Chinatown, honey, because it says Hester Street. Okay, I don't know any Hester Street because I don't hang out. No, I don't know no Hester Street. So gotta be in Chinatown. And so my New Yorkers correct me down there in the description. But I mean, yeah. Correct me down there in the comment section if Hester Street is not in Chinatown. But I believe it is in Chinatown. It's an Asian market. I'm not going to butcher the name. I'm going to read it's called Maywa. M-A-Y-W-A-H. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the box and let's see what I got. I can't remember everything I got, but I know, guys, that I did purchase. It's a bit of a struggle. I did know that I purchased some vegan shrimp. That was the main thing I purchased. So, hope you guys can hear me over the. Okay, so now that I got that struggle life, like that was a real struggle. I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys what I got, and we're gonna see what I got together. Okay, I've never tried this company. I think I have. Actually, I have. One of my local grocery stores have their drumsticks. Restaurants, vegan restaurants. I'm on to you. I know your sauce. I got your sauce. So when you want to charge me $20 for 3 vegan drumsticks, I'm good. I'm good. I know you got to do it because it's not popular, but I'm good. You hear me? Because I know what you can charge. Wink, wink. All right. So anyway, I got vegan red spot prawns, and I got 3. Quantity is 3. I got 3 of those. I got vegan crab steak. I got 1. And I got vegan sugarcane drummies. So all of this came up to $30, but shipping is only $10. Okay, they're in New York, and they ship your food to you wherever you are in the United States for $10. My grand total was $40.40. Don't. So, yeah. It says dry ice packs or something like that, but I left this sitting out for I think 24 hours. It got here last night, and right now it's 3 something in the afternoon. So let's see what I got. This is what the inside of the box is looking like. Okay. Cute pink. Okay. So here is the stuff. It's in this bag. Okay. So here is a close-up of everything, and it's called Maywa. This is sugar cane drummies. Okay, it says ready to eat room temperature. So This is what it's looking like at the back. And this is the prawns. Now, as far as the reviews on the prawns and even everything, I'm going to say all the reviews were 50-50, okay? So it feels like they just thawed out. But they said it's okay, you can reheat. And this looks weird. It's imitation crab steaks. Oh, it's supposed to be a steak. But I wanted to do seafood salad, so I needed the imitation crab meat. And although imitation crab meat in the regular market is imitation crab meat, it still actually has crab meat in it. So this was the next best thing until I can find something else. That's everything. So, I don't know what a sugarcane drummy is, but I'm going to find out. Maybe today, maybe not. But I just wanted to go over a few things with you guys before I close out this video. I want to go over the ingredients, okay? A lot of this stuff is written in, I'm just going to say Asian because I'm not sure which Asian language it's written in. So the ingredients for the sugarcane drummies. Now my expectations for this, because it says sugarcane drummies, is that it's gonna taste like sugarcane, That's my expectations. You guys, I might film a reality, okay? But it says non-GMO soy protein, wheat protein, salt, soy sauce, canola oil, canola oil, yeast extract, star anise, that's like a spice powder, white pepper, spices, bean skin, and sugarcane. Of course, with the prawns, they are rather big. They are on the bigger side. But ingredients for the prawns are water, KONJAC powder, glucan, modified potato starch, paprika, sugar, sea salt, carrageenan, that one, the long C word, alginate, and calcium hydroxide. Okay, let me just put it to you like this, because I am a health freak and I am a vegan, right? Again, this stuff is not to be consumed all the time. Like, I would probably in my household do this once a month. So we have what's this, May, we have May, June, July. Okay, when I do my seafood salad, I'm gonna have to, but if this is nasty, I'm gonna have to like toss it out. But I've had vegan shrimp before, and I'm thinking that this is the same because it's definitely some of the same ingredients. But yeah, so I want to do seafood salad, and I'm gonna have to just, I don't know, because the way my mom taught me to do seafood salad was you have to have the crab meat and the shrimp. Okay, not just the shrimp, but Marylanders. You have to have the shrimp and the crab meat in your seafood salad. It is not. And as a gift to you for watching this video all the way to the end, wink, wink, thank you. Number one. Number two, hit that daggone subscription button. Go on, you might as well do it. So as a gift to you for watching this all the way to the end, you get $5 off a $40 purchase. So the coupon code will be listed in the description box below and the website. So just go to the website, spend what you're gonna spend, and get that $5 off, guys. I promise you, everything will be okay. All right, bye.